What's up guys, it's Nina and I am here with another unboxing for the Cocotique December beauty subscription box. This is the final box of 2018, so I was really excited to see Miss Cynthiabailey as the collaborator. So let's just go ahead and dive straight into this, girl. I know y'all ready for this. So getting straight into it, we have the UnBOXING Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. You'll see the conditioner in a minute. So I was reading the back of both of these products and the first ingredient is water. That is a huge plus for me because that's the main thing that I look for whenever I purchase or get any type of products. Also, these products are supposed to give an extra boost of hydration and they smell like freaking candy. Like, it's over and done with. I cannot wait. Like, I can't even get my words right. I can't wait. Next, we have two Miracle Stardust with glitter brightening and hydrating peel off masks. That's a lot to say. Now, Cocotique did give me two. Now, the purple has amethyst and superberry complex, while the blue has hyaluronic acid as well as peptides. According to the back of the products, they're supposed to get your face all hydrated and brighten your skin, as well as they're supposed to get your pores together, make them all tight and, you know, controllable. Alright, so we're running over to the makeup side and we have two Glamazon Beauty Cosmetic lippies. This beautiful red here, her name is I'm Perfect and she is a hydromatte liquid lipstick. When you first applied it, it did go on wet and then it did dry down, but it wasn't a drying type of matte feel, it was hydrating. The second lippy is the Universal Glow Lip Gloss, and they said that you can use this as a topper, as a lipstick topper, and it is very soft. It's not sticky. I like that it has a little bit of glitter to it, nice little shine. Also, both lippies have hyaluronic acid in it, and that helps to keep your lips hydrated. Y'all don't sleep on that hyaluronic acid. Like, I'm not about to play with y'all with that. Best thing for dry skin, period. Now next we have two of the Elmarie Nail Lacquer nail polishes. In one of the shades we have Peachy Sweet, and that's the one that's on the left, and the other is in Sandcastle, and this one on the right. Now according to the brand, they say that they make their nail polish without the top 10 toxic ingredients that normal nail polishes have. That was a lot to say, guys, do not laugh. But anyway, that means that these are probably being more of a healthier option when it comes to the health of your nails. Also, they say it has a longer wear time and they add thickness. Here we have the Essenza Shower Burst Bath Bomb Tablets. They did come in 3 scents, Lavender, Grapefruit, and Eucalyptus. According to the instructions on the back, you use these in the shower. You place them on the shower floor and they're supposed to create like a spa type aromatherapy experience or whatever. Last but not least, we have the PALMER'S Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Sugar Facial Scrub. Now, since this is an exfoliant, it will polish away like your dirt and dead skin and leave your face like really bright and really fresh. I was looking for an exfoliant that worked well with my dry skin, and this is it, as well as it works with oily skin because my girlfriend uses it and she has, you know, combination oily skin, and she said it works perfect for her. So this product is definitely it. And there you have it, guys. That was the December Cocotique Beauty subscription box. I can honestly say with good faith that this was my favorite box that I've received thus far, only because it had everything that you need for a perfect self-care day. And one of the things that I really love about Cocotique is that Ms. Dana Hill really takes a lot of time. You can tell she takes a lot of time in the type of products that she selects for these boxes. For example, the Elmarie Nail Lacquer polish that's in this box. She could have went with any nail polish, but she chose the one that doesn't have the most toxins in it. Like, that says a lot about a brand, and that says a lot about a business to me. Alright, okay, I'm gonna stop talking about how much I love Cocotique, but guys, you guys gotta understand, they really changed my life. I love them so much. With that being said, guys, do me a favor, go ahead and head over to Cocotique's website and subscribe today. The subscription service is only $25 a month. You get free shipping, 5 to 8 full size and sample size products. And on top of it, they're having a holiday sale that you can get all of the past boxes from this year. You can get caught up or whatever. I recommend getting a December box. So go ahead and head over to Cocotique right now and tell them Nina sent you. But thanks you guys for watching. Until the next one. Bye.